Okay, good morning all of you. We are seeing about the 33 question. You see carefully. The position of both an electron and helium atom are known with uncertainty. Uncertainty of the position of electron and uncertainty in the position of helium atom are equal 1 nanometer. Okay. Further, the momentum of an electron is known with uncertainty is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 26 kg meters and second inverse. Okay, and is asking uncertainty in the momentum of helium. Yes, is a good question. Uncertainty in the momentum of helium atom is the question mark. What we can do, anybody? Yes. If suppose you know very well uncertainty of momentum and position is equals to h by 4 pi m. Okay, apply for both electron and helium. So uncertainty and momentum of electron by uncertainty and momentum of helium atom is equals to h by 4 pi of mass of electron by h by 4 pi of mass of helium. Yes or no? So then automatically, sorry, h by 4 pi only na? Yes, h by 4 pi. So then what we are getting? Yes, it will be coming here as velocity. So is asking velocity or uncertainty in the momentum of helium atom will be is asking. Okay. Then we are getting which one? Momentum is asking of helium. So here nothing is there. We are getting h by 4 pi means h by 4 pi cancel together. So means we are getting h by 4 pi and h by 4 pi only. H by 4 pi by h by 4 pi we are getting. So both will be cancelled, becomes 1. Indirectly nothing but delta x of delta p of electron is equals to delta x and delta p of helium. So uncertainty will be same, the momentum is also same. It's a very simple. So why? Because always product will be maintaining a constant. That's why delta p value will be how much is coming? 5.0 into 10 to the power of minus 26 kg. That only answer is coming is nothing but option D. Is it clear? So uncertainty in the position will be same, the product value will be constant, means the momentum of electron and helium will be also remaining same. Is clear. Come to 34th question. You see carefully. Uncertainty in the position of electron moving with a velocity is there. Uncertainty in the position is asking, and uncertainty in the velocity is given as 3 into 10 to the power of 4 centimeters and second inverse. And accuracy is how much? 0.001 percentage. 0.001 percentage. So now what has to be done? Yes, is mass of electron? No. Yes, everything is there. So uncertainty in the position of electron and mass is given and moving with a velocity and accuracy will be 0.001 percentage is a good question. So then what we have to do? Uncertainty, velocity is there. Uncertainty in the velocity is nothing but how much? 3 into 10 to the power of 4 into 0.01 by 100. So is nothing but comes up is nothing but we are getting 3 we are getting. So is nothing but 100 comes up, no, minus 2 and minus 2 minus 4, and this one is nothing but 3 will be coming. So now I want to get this one delta x is equals to h by 4 pi into m into delta v. H value, you know, asking position in grams, this one centimeters is asking, no. Yes, then we are getting which one? Yes, given in also in centimeter, that's why is coming in centimeters only, no problem. Centimeters and second inverse. Okay, then do it 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 27 erg into second by this one 4 into pi 3.14 into mass already given in I think grams is nothing but 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams into delta V is nothing but 3 centimeters and second inverse. You know very well erg is equals to 1 erg is equals to anybody, so is nothing but grams, centimeter square and second square. Substitute over there, simplify, you are getting how much? I think 1.93 centimeters, option C. After simplification, 1.93 centimeters, option C will be coming. Just once you go through this concept, so he given velocity given, it accuracy will be 0.001 percentage. Sorry, 0.001 percentage. 0.001 percentage means is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 5. 10 to the power of minus 5 means 0.3. Sorry for this one, 0.3 will be there. Are you getting or no? So how much percentage will be there? That much means this velocity into this one by 100 we are taking. Then only we are getting uncertainty in the velocity we are getting. Okay, go for next question. Which of the following statement does not form a part of a Bohr atomic model? Which is not related to Bohr atomic model is asking. The position and velocity of an electron in an orbit cannot be determined simultaneously. That is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is not related to Bohr atomic model. Go for question number 36, Amma. 36. Once you see, so yes, the good questions. He given 4D, 5P and 4D, 5P, 5F and 6P orbitals is there. Is asking descending energy order or decreasing energy order. That means higher to lower. How can you get it? Energy of orbital is directly proportional to n plus L value. If it is same, then energy is directly proportional to n value. What is this one? 4 plus 2, 6 and 5 plus 1 for this also 6. This 5 plus 3, 8 and 6 plus 1, 7 we are getting. So he is asking decreasing order from higher to lower. Higher value will be what? 5F. After that 6P. After that both are having same n plus n value, then we have to go with n value. So after that which is 5P and least is 4D. So then what is the option? 5F, 6P and 5P and 4D. Option D is coming. It's a good model for NEET and CET examination. All of you clear? And go for 37. What is that one? Once you see 37, orbital having 3 angular nodes and 3 total nodes. The orbital which is having 3 angular nodes and 3 total nodes. 3 angular nodes means L value is equals to 3. Why? Because formula for number of angular nodes or nodal planes is equals to L. L value 3 means is a which orbital, amma? Yes, 0, P, 1, D, 2, F, 3. Nothing but F orbital. So which is the F orbital over there? 4F orbital will be there. Yes, 4F orbital. So total nodes means spherical nodes is here 0. Spherical node formula inama n minus L minus 1. N value est 4 minus 3 minus 1 0. That's why angular nodes only becoming total node. That's why his orbital is nothing but 4F orbital. I told already formula. Spherical nodes is equals to n minus L minus 1. Angular nodes is equals to L. Then total nodes is equals to n minus 1. And go for 38. Go for 38. What is the question? Yes. Which one of the following is a wrong statement? Check third option. The electronic configuration of nitrogen. 1s2, 2 electron. 2 electron located means one should be clockwise, another one should be anti-clockwise. 2s2, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise. 2p3, actually 3 are having degenerate orbital. 3r will be there. First one goes and they all should be parallel to each other, but not given. Here he given somewhat difference. This way is a wrong statement. Instead of upward direction he given wrong, downward direction is a wrong representation. First all should be parallel. Okay, then pairing will be happening, then it will become opposite direction. Go for 39. Which of the following is a wrong statement? Especially these models is for NEET point of view. Yes, asked already 2018 NEET examination. What is the wrong statement? The energy of 2s orbital is less than the 2p orbital in case of hydrogen atom. Yes, yesterday I stressed this point. Okay, question number 39. In case of only hydrogen atom or single electronic species, there is no energy difference between particular orbit subshells. Nothing but 2s having same energy as 2p orbital. Why? Because only one electron. There is no variation between 2s and 2p of its energies. It will be only in case of single electronic species like hydrogen or hydrogen-like species He plus Li plus 2, like that. But remaining cases variation will be coming. So other than hydrogen atom, if you can take, means 2s will be less than 2p orbital. Is it correct? But hydrogen atom, it will be wrong concept. Go for 40th bit. Go for 40th. What is that one? How many electron can fit in the orbital which is having n is equals to 3, n is equals to 3 and L is equals to 1. N is equals to means third shell, L is equals to 1 means p orbital. 3p orbital filled with how many electron? 6 electron. Okay, but is there any option? Yes, 6 electron. So, but he given in that key as a option 1. So, if you want to take, if he given like this is 1 bit. No, he given another bit. N is equals to 3, L is equals to 1 and M is 0. Okay, then what we can tell? 3p orbital only, but under 3p we have px, py, pz. All has to be considered, or anyone? M value 0 means any one orbital has to be considered. Any one orbital means answer will be coming 2 electrons. Okay, your wish. If he given same question means 6 electron, but he mentioned orientation factor or orientation quantum number also means is nothing but 2 electron. So according to that one we can change it. Either if it is like this as it is means option B. If you can add magnetic quantum number either -1 or +1 or 0 means 2 electron. Okay, your interest, you can change option according to your interest. See the question number 41. Which of the following pairs of d orbital will have electron density along the axis? Okay, you know very well dxy orbital, the electron density is in between the axis x and y. dyz, the electron density is locating in between the axis y axis and z axis. dzx, electron density is locating in between the axis in the form of double dumbbell shape, but dx square minus y square, electron density on the axis x axis y axis. dz square also, the one dumbbell one dumbbell is coming on axis and also present in the xy plane. Yes, y z is asking in which orbitals electron density on the axis dx square minus y square and z square. So option C, option C will be given. All of you clear? Yes. Now we can see the remaining bits. Go through that one once. See, nothing is there. Just these all are easiest and as well as no problems, nothing. If you concept strong, we can do all these. This is important. Only principal and azimuthal means 6 and magnetic also mentioned means only one particular orbital. Every orbital can accommodate with only 2 electrons. That is the concept. Now I will explain to you some other bits. Is nothing but question number 42. The electrons occupying in the same orbital are designated by. The electron occupying in the same orbital or differentiated or distinguished by. In the same orbital has, for example, 2s, same n value for electron and same L value and same magnetic quantum number, but spin quantum number is plus of and minus of. They are designated by positive, plus of and negative of. So the means with respect to spin quantum number we can segregate them or we can separate them. And go for 43. Once you see which is the correct order of increasing energy of listed orbitals in the atom of titanium. Yes, titanium means what? Configuration will be nothing but 22. 22 configuration, what will be coming? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2 and 3d2. Are you getting or no? He is asking increasing or decreasing. Yes, which is the correct order of increasing? The order of in case of titanium. Yes, which orbital is given? 3s, 3p and 4s and 3d. So this is the energy increasing order of atomic orbital of titanium. So option 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d means is nothing but C. Go for 44 ones. Okay, the number of d electron in Fe plus 3 is not. So Fe plus 3 or Fe plus 2? Fe plus 2. So number of d electrons in Fe plus 2 is not equal with which species? First, in Fe plus 2, how many d electrons is there? Fe 26. 26 means argon. What is coming? 4s2, 3d6. But Fe plus 2, no, lose to 2 electron from 4s. After that we are getting 3d6. Anyway, in this we have 6 d electrons we have. Which species is not having like this is asking question. Is not equal to the number of electron in which of the following is wrong? Okay, d electrons in the Fe. D electrons in Fe also containing 6 electron. I don't want equal. And next p electrons in neon. Okay, you can check second option. P electrons in neon. Neon means atomic number 10. Atomic number 10. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Having 6 electron. Not option. Go for C. What is that one? S electron in magnesium. Yes, S electron in magnesium. Magnesium means configuration neon and 3s2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. So having how many electrons? 2 electrons. Is it equal with 6 electron? No, that's why this is the right option. Go for last one. P electrons in the chlorine. Option D. P electrons in chlorine. Chlorine means 17. Configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and P electron in chlorine 17 is nothing but 3s2, 3p5. So is nothing but which one? P electrons in chlorine 17 is nothing but how many are coming? P electrons in chlorine 6 plus 5, 11 electrons is coming. Is also not equal, no? Yes, he is asking that one only, which is not equal. P electrons in chlorine and S electrons in magnesium. Sorry, here S electrons in magnesium means you are getting 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. S electron means 2 plus 2 plus 2. We are getting 6 electrons we are getting. So it's also not, it's not an option. Which is the option? This one. Why? Having 11 electrons. Here 6 electron, 6 electron. That's why. So which is the option? Chlorine. Chlorine has 11 electrons in p orbital. Thus is not equal with 6 electrons in the d orbital. Are you clear? Yes. Go for 46 more. Angular momentum of electron in d orbital is equals to angular momentum of electron in this one is nothing but d configuration. D orbital means L value is equals to taken as 2. L value taken as d means orbital angular momentum square root of L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. So then we are getting 2 into 2 plus 1 6 into h by 2 pi. I told h by 2 pi can be written as h bar. So can be written as square root of 6 into h bar. Square root of 6 into h bar. Orbital angular momentum of d orbital. So whatever electron is not a matter. D orbital means L value is equals to 2. Then we can substitute in the orbital angular momentum formula. Go for 47. What is that one? What is the maximum number of orbital that can be identified with the following quantum numbers? N is equals to 3. L is equals to 1 and M is 0. L is equals to 3 means third shell. L is equals to 1 means p orbital. M is 0. Only one orientation. May px or 3py or 3pz. How many orbitals? One orbital can accommodate with that particular quantum numbers. Option A. And go for 47. Is a 46. Is a 45. Okay. Next 47. What is the maximum numbers of electron that can be associated with the following quantum numbers? Same bit. N is equals to 3 and L is equals to 1 and M is minus 1. I told very clearly. Actually 3s and 3p actually it is. But only one orientation. One orientation means either px or py or pz. So only one orbital accommodated with how many electrons? 2 electrons. Option B. Option B is coming. Okay, go for next is nothing but 48. All are theory questions, very simple. So the outer electronic configuration of gadolinium. So gadolinium means is nothing but we can take a lanthanoid. So gadolinium is there. I think he mentioned atomic number also 64 is there. Atomic number 64, it is the lanthanoid. What is the question is telling? Outer electronic configuration is nothing but xenon. After that 4f7 5d1 and 6s2. Xenon atomic number 54 plus 7 61 plus 3 64. So this is the electronic configuration. Outer electronic configuration of the lanthanoid is nothing but gadolinium is a lanthanoid it is actually. And go for next 49. A maximum number of electrons in a subshell with L is equals to 3, N is equals to 4, L is equals to 3 and N is equals to 4. So can we represent the orbital? Yes, 4, L equals to 3 means I think 4f orbital. F orbital can fill it with how many electrons? 14 electrons. So option will be A. And go for next 50th. What is that one? The correct set of 4 quantum numbers for the valency electron of the rubidium. Rubidium atomic number 37. Yes, what we are getting? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium. Atomic number is 37 will be there. 37 means can be represented as krypton and we are getting 5s1 we are getting. So valence electron 4 quantum numbers is asking. So then what we can get? N is equals to 5, L is equals to 0, M is also 0, S may be either plus of or minus of. So last electron present in 5th shell, S orbital, L value 0, M is also 0, may positive spin or negative spin. Which set it is? 5 0 0, either plus of or minus of also correct. So option C. Yes, 50th option C. 51 once you see. 51. Orbital angular momentum of p electron. Yes, p electron means L is equals to 1. Orbital angular momentum L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. Substitute over here. 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into h by 2 pi. So is nothing but root 2 into h by 2 pi. So can we written as h by root 2 pi. H by root 2 pi means option A. Yes, go for next 52. It's a very simple things. The total number of atomic orbital in 4th energy level of an atom. 4th energy level means main level. N is equals to 4. N is equals to 4. Number of orbitals formula enuma. Principal quantum number is there. Is equals to n square. N square means 4 square. Nothing but 16. Can we guess? 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. S is 1 type. P is 3 type, D is 5 types, F is 7 types. Together we are getting 16. Is it clear? Yes. And go for next. If n is equals to 6, the correct sequence of filling of atomic orbital 53. Actually it is coming in periodic table. Just once you see. First orbit while filling 1s orbital, second period or second orbit. So 2s, 2p. Third 3s, 3p. Fourth onwards D will start 4s, 4p and 3d. And fifth orbit 5s, 5p and 4d. Sixth lanthanoids 6s, 6p, 5d, 4f. And seventh orbit 7s, 7p, 6d and 5f. Is asking n is equals to 6. N is equals to 6 means ns, np and after that n minus 2 and n minus 1. Ns, n minus 2f, and after that np, and after that n minus 1 d. So what is the filling order? So n minus 1 d and np is nothing but first option. So ns, n minus 2f, n minus 1 d and np. So this filling is nothing but first option is given. You check it carefully and go for next. The maximum number of electrons in subshell of an atom is determined by the following. We'll see. I'm telling again and again, if you are strong in the concept or synopsis, what we are teaching synopsis first 2 classes, go through that one. These all bits is nothing for you. Each and every point is coming in the synopsis. We'll see the next question. 54. See carefully. The maximum number of electron in a subshell of an atom determined by the following. What is given? A number of electrons in a subshell. Yes, number of electrons in a subshell. Okay, number of electrons in a subshell, we have formula 2 into 2l plus 1. 2 into 2l plus 1 means 4l plus 2 electrons. Which option you check it? 4l plus 2. Option D came in azimuthal quantum number. And go for 55. What is that one? Which of the following is a not permittable or not possible for an electron in an atom? Go for second set. What is given? N is equals to 3, L is equals to 2, M is equals to minus 3, S is not a matter, minus alpha plus alpha. If N is equals to 3 means third shell, L is equals to 2 means d orbital. Okay, L is equals to 2 means possible m values. Possible m values are 2l plus 1. 2 2s are plus 1, 5 values. How 5 values will be coming? Minus L2 plus L. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. But given 3 is not acceptable. That's why which is not agreed is asking. That's why it's the wrong set of quantum numbers. Remaining 3 are equal but correct, but m is means not correct quantum number. And go for next the question number 56. Okay, question number 56. Okay, consider the following set of quantum numbers. Which of the following quantum numbers is not correct? First option you see carefully. N, L, M, S, 3, 0, 0 plus of. Okay, third shell, S is S orbital, M is 0, may be correct, it is possible. Come to second one is nothing but 2 to 1 off, 2 to 1 plus of. Second shell, this is L equals to 2 means d orbital, 2d is possible, no. Comes to third set, is nothing but 4, 3 minus 2. 4, 3, minus 2 and minus of. Fourth shell, yes, very good. And this is F and minus 2 is also possible. Minus 3 2 plus 3 is also possible. Come for fourth one is nothing but 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1 and minus of. A spin is not a matter. Okay, first 1s. Is it possible? No. It's not possible, that's why it's also not possible. And come for next is nothing but fifth one. See last 3, 2, 3 plus off. Third shell and D. Third shell and D okay. But ML is it possible? It's not possible. That's why which is not possible is asking 2, 4, 5. These are not possible. Why this is not possible? Because of here L is not possible and 2D is not possible. Here not possible because of which one? This one minus 1 is always becoming 0. It is not wrong. It is also wrong. So with that, so what is the correct? What is the wrong set of quantum numbers means? 2, 4, 5. Option B. Okay, we will see remaining tomorrow. Yes, thank you.